afternoon, teacher. My name is Laura Nela Correa, and today I talk about the future of ITSM, the trends and predictions of the technology of the service. Okay, first I talk about of this question. What is ITSM? The answer of this question is something about like that. That is the management of the information technology service. There is a strategic that approach that adds values to the business of different solutions that are given with the process, people, or new technologies. And with this, it seeks to meet the objectives that are in the company and reduce some expenses that can I help. And everything is set to bring a better planning of the service that revolve around the different organizations. Then I talk about of the future of the ITSM and IT operations. There are 8 components that are so important to talk about of that. Start with the with two that are in aims. It is to support that explain that for the future it is very important to be able to provide constant support within the self-service that will allow solving problems in the shortest possible time without spending more money or resources that can affect the company. For the other are the explained ITSM automation that it is come hand in hand with the support that is will improve the problem solving initiative and it is will also help some process to develop on their own their staff take share of the most important things in the company and thus increase the productivity of the organization. Other important things are the IT chat support. The chatbots are the future of the communication since thanks to the natural language processing, they can understand different functions that help to solve different problems in a personalized way. Another is the increase of the key quality management. It is used to achieve the information of an organization and it is the way there are benefits for employees, for the organization in which costs are reduced and greater efficiency and generate. The other are the improved customer service with speed, quality, and cost. Something that has been very important is the customer service within the information technology work, implementing new self-help strategies to accelerate process and give results for customers and facilitate for the employees and giving a better quality of the service by reducing cost and for improving the experience of the company. And the other 3 things that are so important, those topics are the increase AI adaptation. The artificial intelligence is one of the most used technologies in recent times since it adapts different activities that simplify the results. And it is chatbots are creating a specific and personalized different to improve the quality of the service. The other is invigorate IT efficiency. There must be different alternatives to ensure that organizations continue the function properly. And it is occur with the pandemic that we are experiencing to reduce cost and save technology or some strategies for the company to scale without hiring bottom and generate problems. The other are greater focus on HR support, where enterprise service management there is improve the well-being of the employees, taking into account the human resource with technological alternatives for prepare different operations to creating some different solutions. For finish, one of the most important conclusions that the study for those topics are that is to be able to manage the management of the service within the current way in which costs must be reduced and the solution must be maintained in the face of problems that arise as they are occurring in the pandemic that we are currently experiencing, in which many companies had not foreseen that situation and did not have the different alternatives that were going to be able to stay the course and reduce some costs to continue with the jobs and creating different alternatives to be scaled and that the quality of service had not gone for the floor. That is why it is important to be updated and have the corresponding order for the development. Thank you.